B&D Controll-A-Door installation and navigation to plug in and commission the Easy Fit modules relating to new fitment of wireless PE beam and wireless lock, auto lock, and also for the Controll-A-Door secure model, the smartphone control kit. This is smart, so it's integral smarts in the unit, so we're not going to need to talk to that. So what we can do is quickly orientate you to the Easy Fit module. This is a bus device now, small connector. The harness that connects directly to the circuit board is common to both sides and common fitment to each of these Easy Fit modules. So the transceiver compartment can be accessed. Just remove the cover and you'll see the harness is already provided in the unit. This has a non-polarizing rib, so the installer can't get the direction wrong. It just fits into the transceiver. I have ensured there's been power disconnected on this unit. That's a tip for the installer. Now, direct fitment back is just following the chassis line and pushing it straight back up, and it'll clip into place. Okay, reverse the procedure and put the cover back on, and that's done.